TitleMatchNetwork.com.
The Henry family dynamic, while complicated at the very least, has certainly provided many of the greatest matches here at Crossfire Wrestling. And I'm sure tonight will be no different as Issac Cain going for the boot early, but caught from Kylie Paige. Kylie had it scouted. The youngest champion in NWA history. Now the co-owner of Crossfire with a Hurricane Rana, sending her uncle Issac Cain to the outside. And now Kylie Alexa full out of steam. Suicide dive connects. Wiping out Issac on the floor, and the crowd coming alive for the youngest of the Paige sisters here in the Henry family. Kylie with an overhand chop, landing right across the upper chest, but now Issac Cain cutting off the momentum sends Kylie face first into the ring apron. And now Issac driving Kylie back first, looking to use that size and strength advantage. As this family rivalry continues on and on. It was 2 years ago at Black Harvest where Issac Cain made his in-ring return, going one-on-one with Kenzie, Paige, and hold on, what? Issac Cain with ill intention. Oh, glancing blow at best, but Kylie Paige landing shoulder first on the apron on the way down. A nasty landing here for Kylie Paige as Issac Cain circling the ring. I mentioned made his return 2 years ago at Black Harvest against Kenzie. Keep in mind, last year it was Issac Cain and Tommy Henry going to war against both of the Paige sisters. Kylie ultimately would walk away with 2 victories that weekend, not only against her father and uncle, but also Tessa Blanchard cover. Not enough weight across the shoulders there of Kylie Paige as Issac Cain now looking to bring things back down to his pace. Referee Garrett Kemp getting a good look here to make sure that Issac not putting on a chokehold as Kylie works her fingers in, creates a little bit of space, and now jawbreaker. Quick roll up from Kylie Alexa, looking to put the match away early. Now Kylie caught on the shoulders of Issac, doing everything within her power to fight out. These elbows not doing much, but rolls through. Only a 2 count, says referee Garrett Kent, and just like that, Issac Cain drops down, and the momentum back in the favor of the KFW original himself. Has until the count of 5 to break the hold, and Garrett Kent holding the count here. I think he knows just as well as any of us do, no one here wants to see the match end on a disqualification. And even though Kylie was on the receiving end, I guarantee that Kylie, as co-owner here of NWA Crossfire, does not want to see the match end that way. So the fight will continue now as Issac Cain on the outside, stalking Kylie. Kylie now, a couple of elbows to the midsection and drives Issac Cain right into the post. Very important to note, folks, those are not rounded ring posts. You see the harsh edges there on the corners, and driving Issac Cain back first in there will certainly do some damage. And now, right in front of the Henry family, Issac Cain, big scoop slam to Kylie right on the cold, hard concrete. And now rolls into the ring to break the count, to continue the punishment here on the outside. Kylie now being pulled back to her feet, and a stiff headbutt from Issac Cain sends the 20-year-old Kylie back down. Kylie Alexa, despite her youth, already an accomplished singles and tag team performer. And now what is Issac Cain doing here? Issac Cain just gouging away. Absolutely uncalled for. And now rolling Kylie back into the ring, looking for the victory. Hooks the outside leg, and Kylie, Paige still showing that fight that we've come to know since the beginning. Kylie certainly has that Henry family fighting spirit burning deep within her. We've seen it time and time again throughout the years, and now clubbing blow after clubbing blow. How cathartic must this feel for Kylie, who runs right into a back elbow. Just like that, all the energy here in the room has been sucked away, and Issac Cain to put Kylie away, but no. Through all the pain and anguish, Kylie Alexa able to get the right shoulder up, and the veteran Issac Cain immediately transitioning into the submission hold, knee driven squarely between the shoulder blades of Kylie Paige. The crowd here in Sevierville showing their support, rallying behind Kylie. Now Kylie off the ropes, but caught. Black hole slam from Issac Cain. And this is going to be a no. Kylie wisely rolling to the outside. And you see the sadistic grin of Issac Cain beside himself, but at the same time almost respecting the wherewithal. What does Issac have in mind now with a handful of hair of Kylie making their way up to the stage? That hardwood surface of the stage here in the Sevierville Civic Center, and Issac Cain looking perhaps to end the career of Kylie. Kylie's got to fight out. Kylie doing everything she can to pump the brakes, and now spinning back kick connects, and now Kylie going for it. Code Kylie! Code Kylie on the stage as a thunderous noise echoes all across the Civic Center. Kylie knows she has to win this in the ring, drags Issac Cain's lifeless body. Already up to a count of 7, rolls Issac Cain into the ring, and now Kylie going for the cover. That right there is as close as it comes. That extra time it took Kylie to drag the body of Issac Cain, I think gave enough time for Issac to come to his senses. These two athletes have gone to absolute war thus far. And Kylie, you see the gears turning. What is it going to take to put away Issac Cain here at Black Harvest? Charging in, and a miss on the backsplash from Kylie. And now it's Issac with Kylie in his sights, running shoulder block into the midsection. And it seems like every single time that Issac Cain takes control of this match, it's like the energy in the crowd just leaves the room. This crowd 100% behind Kylie Paige. As the Henry family watching on the ringside area. Unfortunately, a very familiar sight in this household. And now, Kylie Paige delivers a Death Valley driver to Issac Cain, but how much left is there to give? Kylie may have emptied the reserves with that one, just feeding off the energy from the crowd. And now back onto the attack, going for the cover. Not enough. You can see the aggression of Kylie, who with every punch, really just giving it her all. Now Kylie with Issac Cain prone in the corner. Charging in, Issac catches the knees and now places Kylie onto the top turnbuckle. A dangerous position for Kylie Paige. And now Issac looking to go up top, willing to risk his own body just to put away Kylie. What's it gonna take? And now Kylie with a headbutt and a slap slips out. Kylie has him hooked. Kylie has him hooked, looking for a power bomb. Can she do it? And she does. Power bomb. Kylie in position 3. No. Only a 2 from a power bomb out of the corner. Still somehow only a 2 count from Kylie Paige. We knew coming into this match that Issac Cain has a high tolerance for pain, and we are certainly seeing that. As both of these competitors willing to risk it all to put away one another, and now with both on their knees, Kylie and Issac gonna trade forearm shots. It really goes to show the bad blood between these two, that no matter how much damage they are taking, neither competitor wanting to give an inch to the other. Kylie managing to build a little momentum. You see immediately grabbing a hold of that lower back that's been targeted throughout. And speaking of which, buckle bomb into the corner from Issac Cain, and Kylie looks to be out. Kylie has not moved. And Issac taking his time has decided that enough is not enough, and looking to put the nail in the coffin of his very own knees, going for the pump handle driver, driving Kylie face first, and that is no! Kylie Paige showing exactly what she is made of here tonight. But what is it going to take to put either one of these athletes away? Issac Cain looking for it one more time. Looking to seal the deal. Has Kylie hooked. Face first once again. And once again, Kylie has to be purely on instinct alone. We are seeing one of the gutsiest performances I have ever seen in a Crossfire ring right now. Kylie Paige, through it all, still somehow, some way hanging on.
You're done, you little bitch.
You heard Issac saying you're done, but now Kylie inside cradle. 3, and that is it. And before the announcements can even be made, Issac Cain immediately right back on the assault. A vile and heinous assault. The match is over. Good God Almighty, that is your family. Kylie Paige won fair and square by outsmarting her uncle. And yet Issac Cain deciding that enough is not enough. But wait, Tommy Henry. But whose side is he on here? Tommy Henry, the former owner of Crossfire Wrestling, before handing over the keys to Kenzie and Kylie, who have brought on a new era of change here in the National Wrestling Alliance, and now getting right in the face, squaring up with his very own brother, Issac Cain. Tommy Henry has seen enough. Tommy tucks the right, delivers a super kick to his own brother. And the crowd here in Sevierville showing their appreciation for Tommy Henry, and enough is not enough. Much like Issac Cain earlier to Kylie, Tommy with more punishment in mind. Off with his head. And another super kick. Tommy Henry has seen enough.
NWA, bitch. Come on.
Tommy Henry pledging his full allegiance to the National Wrestling Alliance here at Black Harvest 18. An event that both of these men had a hand in creating, and now Kylie Paige, battered and bruised, makes her way back into the ring and embraces her father. And despite the heinous assault that we just saw from Issac Cain, a beautiful and heartfelt moment here from Tommy Henry and his youngest daughter. And speaking of which, Kenzie Paige still to come in action to defend her NWA Women's World Championship right here at Black Harvest.
TitleMatchNetwork.com